সুপ্রিয় শিক্ষার্থী বন্ধুরা, আজকে আমি তোমাদের 5টি প্রশ্ন নিয়েছি। দ্য ক্যাসকেডস স্টোরি, যে স্টোরিটা ছিল মার্চেন্ট অফ ভেনিস, সেখান থেকেই। হোয়াট কাইন্ড অফ ম্যান ডিড Portia's father look for? Portia's father looked for such a man for Portia to marry her for herself and not for his wealth, for her wealth. Why did Bassanio choose the lead of Cascade? The reason of Bassanio choosing the lead Cascade is his wisdom, as he thought that appearance do not show the true character of anything. Why did Bassanio and Portia's happiness turn into sorrow? A piece of news turned Bassanio's and Portia's happiness turned into sorrow. What did the golden casket contain? The golden casket contained a picture of a skull with a message, all that glitters is not gold. Why was the Prince of Morocco misled? The Prince of Morocco was misled by the internal glitters of precious thing because he thought that the precious picture might be inside in the precious gold casket. Why do you think the Prince of Spain failed to choose the right one? Prince of Spain failed to choose the right one because he had a high but very high but fake opinion of himself. থ্রি ক্যাসকেটস থেকে এই 6টি প্রশ্ন নেওয়া হয়েছে, তোমরা একটু ভালো করে পড়বে এগুলি।